Your bank takes 3 days to move money across borders, charges you $45 for the privilege, and can stop the payment without explaining why. This isn't a technology problem. Banks have had internet for decades. It's an incentive problem. Money without flow. If you want to solve this puzzle and win Bitcoin, you need every clue. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next episode. The Lightning Network moves Bitcoin in under 1 second, for a fraction of a cent. No bank account, no approval process, no waiting period. For the first time, digital money has real flow. Lightning wallets handle the complexity. Scan, send, confirmed. Under 1 second, every time. In 2020, Lightning had 5,000 active nodes. Today, over 16,000. Coffee shops in El Salvador, freelancers in Nigeria, vendors across Europe. Millions of transactions daily. Instant settlement, no intermediaries. When money achieves flow, adoption stops being theoretical. It becomes infrastructure. Banks had the internet for decades. They chose friction. It protects their fees. Lightning chose speed. It protects your time. Every system survives by how well value moves through it. Lightning made simple